In the next 5 minutes, we will be done with Dave Ramsey's baby steps. So we did 1 through 6. Now it's the last one, baby step 7. And Dave Ramsey is a man of the Bible, or so he claims. So it kind of makes sense that this baby step is basically just relax and keep letting your fun grow. Not F-U-N, but F-U-N-D. And he also says to have fun. But he's emphasizing relaxing, letting it grow, and giving back. So he gives some great stories in this chapter of the book on how you can give back, how you can help out people in need, and how much of a blessing it is to not have to lend money and expect it to be repaid. Kind of like what the government is doing these days, 2020. Go back, read some news articles if you are unaware of what that was, if you're watching this in the future. Here's the basic premise of baby step number 7. You've worked really hard and you finally come to a point where you're regularly investing, you're paying your house off early, or you've already paid it off, you've funded your college fund for your kids, and now you just put that much more towards investing, and by now you should have a pretty good sized retirement fund. You have freed up some income. Maybe your mortgage was maybe $1,500 a month. You don't want to put all of that towards retirement. Maybe you want to give some away. You want to quit your job and do something you're passionate about for either less money or no money at all. So this is where you get to relax some of your crazy discipline that you've worked so hard for over the last few years. And his favorite line comes in here: live like no one else now so that later you can live like no one else. So when everybody's struggling because they've been in debt for 20 years and they can no longer work because their body's kind of giving out on them, this is super sad, but this is going to be a lot of people. If you've followed his plan, you will have no worries, so you can take it easy and not put your body through more than it can handle just to put food on the table. So that's baby step 7. It's very short, very simple. Basically, on the 7th day, God asked us to rest. I think that's why he did the 7 steps. I don't think it's an accident, and I think it's great. I'm looking forward to getting there so that I can give back and volunteer more, help my kids with whatever they need. If you have kids and you don't think you can do this, check out my future videos, because we have 4 little kids and a poodle. Not that that really makes a difference. And we're trying to send them to private school. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. We even give 10% to our church. And I'm not a millionaire. I have a pretty average income. And yes, I do have a rental property, but right now it's actually losing money, a very little bit, but it's still losing money. Check out this video to see all 7 baby steps really quickly.